Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Today in this video we try to see Python tricky questions. The first question we can see it out, mutable default argument trap. So this is the trap. So what it was telling. In these functions we are giving the argument like a list. This is the list and this is the mutable, and I'm calling add item, that is apple. Second time I'm calling add item as a banana. So what it will try to give. Now your question, you read the questions and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to answer. I have given multiple choice for you. A, the answer will be the apple. B, the answer will be the banana. C, the answer will be the apple, comma banana. And D, none. You can guess and write your answer in the comment by telling the question number and what is your answer. Now it is the time to execute and see the answer. You can see the first iteration it has been added the apple, the second iteration it has added both of them. So it is preserved the old element, that is apple. Now we are moving on to the second question, the variable shadowing in loops. Now I have given x is equal 10, nums as a list 1, 2, 3, and I am printing, taking the element by element in a for loop and printing, and after that one I am printing the x. So what we will get at the last x, that is the question. So I will get it as a 3, the options I am giving you. I am getting as a 10, or I cannot say, or you can say both of them. If you know the answer or if you are able to guess, please write in the comment section with the question number followed by this option. You can say to A, to B, to C and to D. So for this question, what is your answer? You can write in the comment section. So what we try to get here, the last value in the x will be 3 will be printed, and after that one what could be the thing. So it is the time to execute. You can see here it has printed 1, 2, 3 expected, but here it remembered the old value, that is 10. How come? Please write in the comment section. Even though it has read this 1, 2, 3, but it went here and remembered this 10. That's a very magic. Now it is the third question. We can see it on this screen. This is a list multiplication trap. You can see this is called list, and I am multiplying with the 3. So this 1 comma 2 into 3. So 3 times it will be there. So then the first from this one and from this list index 0 into that one I am making as a 99 and printing A. What could be your answer? A, B, C or D? You can type the question number as in a 3. What is your matching answer? Or you can write the answer in the comment section. If it is A, 3A. If it is a B, you can write 3B. If you can see 3C, or you can write 3D. If you don't know, you can write don't know also. What could be this answer? You can see it. It is a time to execute. Okay, you can see even though you have mentioned as 0 comma 0, but the rest of the things also it has been updated. It was such a shocking. So you can check what is this answer in this below. Now we are moving on to the same thing, bit variant 1 comma 2 for iPhone in range 0 comma 0 99. I am assigning and printing. Whether what will be this answer? You can write 3 modified, because it's a original one. This is a modified one, A, B, C, D. You can write this answer. You can see in the first place itself it has been affected, but the rest of the things it has been same. The third question will having a 2 varieties. Please refer. It's a first one or second one and write your answer in the comment section. Now we are moving on to the local variable shadow trap. So I am giving x is equal to 10. Everybody knows it's a global. And in the function I am printing the x, maybe 10 can be printed, and after that one I am assigning as in 5 and doing this function. What it looks like, as per my understanding, works well, and none of the above, there is no issue. What could be this? So if you are also following my own view, you can write 4a, 4b, 4c, 4d, or any one of the answer you know. Please write in the comment section. But it is a trap. You can see the x is the variable. You can see here unbound local error, cannot access the local variable x. So this is the error I am getting. Now we are moving on to the shallow copy trap. So I have this list inside a list, and I am taking the copy, that is nothing but the shallow copy, by using the copy.copy, and I am editing the 0th index. You can see it, and I am printing the original and shadow. Now your answer will be the shadow one be like this, or the shadow one be like this, or original will be like this, or original will be like this. So what could be your answer? Please write your answer in the comment section. But what I am modifying in the shallow, which is the index, it's a 0, which is outside. So let us see what is the original and this. The original will be whatever we have given, it will be there, but the shallow one will be there is 0, but this is outside. But what I try to do, if I am doing 1 comma 0, you can see both will be affected because it's a list in a list, so it is referred both of them. But what is my question? This is only my question. So where and all, this shallow copy will be, we are modifying to the shallow, this is an outer, so this one only will be updated. Now it is the question going on to the 6, is or double equal to. What is the answer here? 256, 256. Print A is B, 257, just I added one number only, I'm not doing anything. And A is B. What is this one? A is B. Both are same, true. And here also both of them is A is B is true. It's the same answer. True is the answer. None is the answer. I cannot say. So what is your answer? Please write in the comment section by following this question 6 and give A, B, C, D, whatever you are getting. So, but what is this one? We can see the first one is a true, second one is a false. How come? Because minus 5 to 256, it will try to store in a cache, so both will be pointing into the same, but after that one it will try to store in a different. Is will be locating or pointing to the memory, double equal to mean value, so is pointing to the memory. So this is where minus 5 to 256, it is located in the cache, so it is the same. But here after 256, it will try to store in different memory location, it will be the different. Now this is called as a tuple mutation paradox. So what is this one? I have given a tuple and I want to append. So anything, if you are doing append to then a tuple, we try to get an error. So what could be the answer? Error, cannot say none, it is a proper. 7, you can write A. If your answer is A, you can type 7A. If your answer is B, you can type 7B. If your answer is C, you can type 7C. If your answer is D, you can do the 7D. Type in the comment section, or if you want to write your own answer, you are free, allowed to write your own comment. But now let me execute this one, and you can see inside the tuple there is a list is there, so you are allowed to add to the list, but anything you are adding to apart from other than the list, you will try to get an error, but to the list it is allowed. Now what I am doing here on 8th one, plus equal to. So this is called, I am taking the mutable and immutable. First one is a list is a mutable. The second one, you can see the tuple is immutable. What could be your answer? I am taking B, I am assigning to the A, then I am adding A plus. So this is called as an A, and I am adding 4 comma 5. Similarly, this is 1, 2, 3, that I am storing in a Y, and X plus I am doing 4 comma 5, and I am printing A, B and X, Y. So your answers will, both output will be the same, A and B, same in the list, plus is equal to A, B same, or X, Y same in the tuple, plus equal to, and I cannot say 8A, 8B, 8C, 8D, any one of the option you can give. Now let me execute this one. You can see in the list, even though you added to the A list, but it is reflecting in the B also, you can see it. Both are same, but you are adding these things to a tuple, so it will try to only affect it to an X, but it is not reflecting on the Y. This is the difference. Now the dict key mystery. So I am giving a is equal to dictionary true 1 1.0. You can see it on the screen. These are the three keys, true 1 1.0, and next one is false 0 1.0. So these are the 6 keys I am giving. So I am asking you, works well, display all the 6 keys, cannot say none. This is the 9th question. You can see and write your comment section. If you are a master, you are saying I can get 9 out of 10 in Python, 10 out of 10, please write your comment section. Now you can see true 1 1.0 all are belonging to the 1 key. False 0 0.0, it is related to the 1 key. So at the end of the day, it is only 1 key, and the last value whatever you are storing, it is storing 1, and the rest of the thing is overwritten. Now the loop variable binding trap. You can see lambda function is there, I for I in range 3, and I am executing this function. So default it is taking the value from range up to the range 0 1 2 will be there, but what could be this answer? A B C D 1 comma 2 comma 3, or you can say 0 comma, you can see 0 comma 1 comma 2. Which one? C is none, I cannot say. Now let me execute and see. All of them will be 2 because it is doing the reference. Important of a shadow trap. You are giving a math, importing the math, but before that you have taken that one and assigning 10. Maybe all the keywords also you are assigning. So after this one again you are importing and doing what could be the answer. It will be the work very well. But after this one, if you put it, you can see this is error, because the math is assigned. So what is the point, or what is the takeaway you can do? But don't assign any one of the import modules with this values, because that are all that are not a variable, that are all modules or packages or functions. Please try to use very wisely. Now let me see unexpected unpacking. So a comma b is equal to b comma a is equal to 1 comma 2. What could be your output? A and b. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, or a is equal to b is equal to 1. Cannot say d is none. Now if you know the answer, please write val A, val B, val C, val D, and I will try to see your answer. What could be the answer? Let me execute this one. You can see it is a 2 comma 1 because it is right to left, it is executing. So set mutation while iterating. So now I am doing s is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3 for x in s dot add. I am doing as per everything is syntax is right, because add function is there. What could be the output? You can see it's work well, smooth, none, cannot say. Any one of this one you can write it. 13A, 13B, 13C, or 13D. If you have any answer detail also you can write in the comment section. But what is this one? This is just an error, because runtime error. You can set changed size during the iteration. So set size cannot be changed in the iteration. So these are the things that is called set mutation while iterating, unexpected unpacking, import shadow trap, loop variable binding trap. You can see dict key mystery, plus is equal to mutable versus immutable. You can see tuple mutation paradox. You can see is double equal to illusion trap. You can see the shallow copy trap, and local variable shadow, and a list multiplication trap, variable shadowing in loops. You can see mutable default argument trap. So these are the 13 questions we have covered in this video. For more interesting updates, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. All this one we have executed by using the Python 3 version for the clarity. And we try to meet in the next session. Thank you very much. Bye.